Define your channel's niche, decide what your channel will be about and identify your target audience. Choosing a specific niche helps you create content that appeals to a particular group of viewers. Research and plan content. Spend time researching popular topics and trends within your niche. Brainstorm ideas for videos and create a content plan. This will help you stay organized and consistent with your uploads. Set up a YouTube account. If you don't have one already, create a Google account and sign up for a YouTube channel. Choose a channel name that reflects your content and brand. Customize your channel, add a channel description, profile picture, and channel art to make your channel visually appealing and informative. Consider creating an intro video that introduces yourself and your channel to new viewers. Acquire necessary equipment. Depending on the type of content you plan to create, you may need a camera, microphone, and video editing software. Start with basic equipment and upgrade as your channel grows. Create and upload videos. Start filming and editing your videos. Focus on producing high-quality content that engages your audience. Pay attention to video and audio quality, as well as effective storytelling and presentation. Optimize your videos. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails to improve discoverability. Use relevant keywords and compelling thumbnails to attract viewers and rank higher in search results. Consistency and scheduling. Upload videos regularly and establish a consistent schedule. This helps build a loyal audience who knows when to expect new content from you. Promote your channel, share your videos on social media platforms, engage with your audience, and collaborate with other YouTubers to increase your channel's visibility. Network with like-minded creators and participate in relevant communities to expand your reach. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, answer questions, and create a sense of community around your channel. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and share your videos to help grow your subscriber base. Analyze and adapt. Use YouTube Analytics to track your channel's performance. Analyze viewer engagement, watch time, and audience demographics to gain insights into what works and what doesn't. Adjust your content strategy accordingly. Remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. Stay dedicated, continuously improve your content, and adapt to the feedback you receive.